Fourth letter of Urdu alphabet is Te. Te. Native English speakers may confuse it with Te, which is another letter. This is Te. This is a soft ta sound, as in French word tu, tu, tu. This is as soft as French T. So this is te. Te plus alif is ta, ta, ta. Te, te. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. Te, te. Ta, te plus alif is ta, ta, ta. This is not ta, ta, ta. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. Ta. When there are two in a word, first is ta and second one is also ta, then first one will be shortened to this one is short ta and this is full ta. And below it is the handwritten form. Tat. In this word there are three te. 1, 2 and 3. First, second and third. This is handwritten form. Fifth letter of Urdu alphabet is te. Te. It sounds as a T in fat. Fat. This is taste. This is te. It sounds as T in fat. Te was soft, but te is strong. Strong T. Te was soft T as in French, and T is strong T as in English word fat. Fat. Oh. This is te plus te. There are two te. First te and then second te. Handwritten form and printed form, both. Here are three te. First, second and third. This is printed form and this is handwritten form. Tart. This is written tart. Te alif, te. Tart. Tata. Tata. This is atta. Atta. Atta means whole wheat flour. Atta. And this is ata. Now you feel the difference of sound in te and te. This is pronounced as ata, 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 and this is ata, 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 ata. This is bata, be alif, te alif, bata, tub, te and be, tub, tub, tub.